Today we will be testing a 5-minute Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 303 different strategies with 95 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 196 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,013 indicators with 423 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says, stop using old buy sell. This indicator will double your profits. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. And so what we're going to do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators on screen. And what we're going to do is add the SSL channel. It's going to be this one right here by Miss Tricky. Click that twice to add 2 of them to the chart. The first one will keep on the default settings. The second one will jump into the settings and we'll scroll down to the time frame right here. And we'll turn this to the 15-minute time frame. And of course, we are on the 5-minute chart, like I said. Then go ahead and turn off the show buy sell labels right here and this one right here, even though this one's not currently active. Just go ahead and uncheck those there. Click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade. So we are looking for the price to be trading above the 15-minute SSL channel. And so this one right here is the 15-minute. You can see it's kind of jagged, which indicates that it is the higher time frame SSL. And as price is trading above the higher time frame SSL, what we kind of want is price to pull back into the shorter, the 5-minute SSL, and we want the shorter SSL, the 5-minute, to be above the 15-minute. So you see how we get a cross right here. The 5-minute is above, like this here. Price is then trading above the 15-minute, and price starts to pull back to this 5-minute SSL channel, and then we pick up a buy tag like this right here. When we pick up that buy tag, that will then be our signal to enter into a long. So we're going to set our trade right here. We're going to set our stop at 25 pips. And so right about there, 25 pips is 25.6 is close enough. And then we're going to target a 1 to 3 risk reward. So we're going to draw this all the way up to about right there. And you see that risk reward is 3.01, like it says, close enough to the 3. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see it takes just a little bit, but we get this really big spike and then slowly stair step our way up to our take profit right here. Alright, and for a short trade, what we're looking for again is for the 5-minute SSL to be trading below the 15-minute. We want price action to also be trading below that 15-minute when we then pick up a sell signal like this right here. Once that sell signal appears, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. I'm going to put our trade right there. Again, we're going to set our stop at 25 pips right there. You can see the 25 pips right there above my mouse. And then we're going to target that same 1 to 3 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And once again, it takes just a little bit, but we eventually work our way down, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we had 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades, putting it at a 40% win rate. With the 1 to 3 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $200 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $6,000 for an overall gain of $6,000 altogether. So not too bad of a strategy. Now this is a trend following strategy, and so that does help things out a little bit. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 79 trades altogether. We had 63 winning trades and 16 losing trades, putting that at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $37,800. On the losing side, you'd have lost $19,200 for an overall gain of $18,600. So significantly better results. But the Academy of Forex indicator is a reversal indicator. And so with this strategy here, you could use the Academy of Forex for reversals and this one for trend and really maximize both sides of the market, really increase your profit. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator. On these 4 Forex pairs, this one crypto coin, this is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. So this last week on the Forex pairs, we did 8 trades altogether. We had 2 winning, 6 losing. That puts us at a 25% win rate. Would have been a drawdown of $3,960. On the crypto coin, we had 4 trades, 2 winning, 2 losing. A 50% win rate would have been a drawdown of $520. For the week, we would have been down $4,480 at the 33-week total. Now we would have been up $44,610 over 260 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. So a little bit of a drawdown for the week, but that's just how trading is. You have good weeks and bad weeks, and it will definitely recover, as you can see it has many times before. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list and move on to the next video from here.